Alright, looks like we might go through the process of swapping all the cells over to this new battery housing. So we have our cell balancer. Let's see if you can see that. That's going to slide down in here with some RTV, which we got right here. Have to get that loosened up. But then these wiring will get laid across there and split to the cells, and that will help balance the cells. Alright, going to pull the battery out of the car, show you what that looks like if you don't remember, and then we'll transfer all the cells over and look at the wiring and then try to put this thing back together. Alright, got it out. You can see where I glued the old cell balancer to the side. Now we have a nice little pocket. You can even see a little pocket there for that to go into, so we'll get this all popped apart. This is a PLA 2-part. So now we got the cells. Okay. Alright, that looks pretty dirty. Alright, kind of good that we're going through this. Alright, well, I got this all torn apart and some bad news. So, we had to completely destroy the old battery box to get it apart, and in a couple of the cells, I don't know if you can see in this one here, ended up poking a hole in it trying to get it out. This one, the corner is all destroyed. This one, this corner is also kind of destroyed, which is not good because I only have 5 cells total and 3 are broke. And the good cells, I think I took those inside because I was measuring them. So I have a bunch of these lithium cells, and as you can tell, I'm already starting to figure out how I'm going to enclose these to kind of make it into a battery. So I have another bucket there that I'm going to cut up. Bought some hardware from the store. I'm going to reuse a lot of the stuff that was holding the other cells together and figure out how to get this under the car, because I got to go to work tomorrow. Alright, so here's where we're at. Pigtail for the individual cell monitoring. Got it all kind of put together, re-taped back up. So now we're going to try putting some of the battery cables on it. Probably hang it underneath, see if it'll start the car, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I think I got something figured out. I plugged it in under the car, cranked it up. Didn't get a video of that, but this is working. Plugging into the individual cell widget. Positive cable, ground. So now we're gonna like mate some halves together and cobble something together and then get it mounted up under the car. Alright, here's the battery now. Cables come out the center and the top. Yeah, kind of figured out where it's going to go underneath. Got the plumber's tape wherever I put that bag, and we're going to figure out some straps and then see if we can get this thing hung. Alright, so it's in. That's the rear tire. This is the inner fender of the left rear of the car. It's not my best work, but it's definitely in though. It doesn't move around at all. It doesn't move forward or back. I was going to run a strap across this way, but I don't think that's needed. I taped it up pretty good. It's not 100% waterproof at the top, but for now, I think it's just going to have to work. Got it all tied in at the kill switch. So yeah, so it is what it is, but it does seem to start and run, so I guess that's a win.